And welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to activate LazyPay account. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do if you want to activate the account is to download the LazyPay app. After downloading the app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, depending on the device you're using, next thing you're going to do is sign up or log in. So you sign up for a new account using your mobile number and email address. If you already have an account, simply log in. Then you have to complete the KYC verification. That is to fully activate your account and get a credit limit. You likely need to complete the Know Your Customer KYC process. This typically involves providing and verifying your identity and address using documents such as your PAN card and Aadhaar card. You may also need to provide bank account details. Next, once your KYC is approved, LazyPay will assess your eligibility and assign you a credit limit. If you have applied for and received a physical Lazy card, you will need to activate it through the LazyPay app. This usually involves going to the card section in the app, selecting Activate Card, and following the prompt to set a PIN and verify details. Once the steps are completed, your LazyPay account should be activated, allowing you to use this service based on your approved credit.